Stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay low. There you go. That looks good. Stay low. Move those feet. Move those feet. Move those feet. There you go. Don't bend. Don't bend. Don't bend. Just in your hands. Just your hands. Just your hands. Keep those knees low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Head up. Head up. There you go. Keep your head up. Right here. Oh, hold on. Keep your hands out like you're defending. Keep your hands out like you're defending. There you go. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Move those feet. Move those feet. Keep going, keep going, keep going. This is the hard one. This is the hard one. Stay low. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay low. Keep your head up. Stay low, stay low. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay with it, stay with it, stay with it. Last time on both sides. See what's happening to the ball? That's where I want you to work. That ball has to work. So you gotta get used to those hands up in the ball, and this thumb has to sit. If it sits here, then the ball's gonna go that muscle. That's where you want it to be. Right there. Spread your fingers just a little bit. Not that thumb. Love it. There you go.
Bugs.
Watch my hand. Fix it. Snap your wrist. That's the difference. That's it. Focus, 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 focus. Stay with your dribble. Bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees. There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep your head right here. Stay on top of the ball. Stay on top. Stay on top. Stay on top. Stay with your dribble. Stay with your dribble. Stay with your dribble. Keep moving it. Keep moving it. Pound it. Stay focused. There you go. Stay focused. Keep. Stay with it. Stay with it. Keep your feet low. Keep that ball handle low. Stay focused. Stay focused. That's it. Pound it. Pound it. Pound it. Stay on top. Stay on. Two hands. Look up. Stay up. Don't look down at that ball. Ball. There you go. Now drive it in the ground. Drive it in the ground. Harder. Stay on top of it. You threw that one. Beautiful. Oh, you followed through. There you go. Up on your toes. And your hips. Step to the ball. Hip. Stay low, stay low. Good defense.
Take this kid, man. Take him.
Nice. I like it. Stay low, stay low. On a break, move your feet. There you go.